Good evening, everybody. So, what am I doing today? Today I went to American Crystal Sugar. Did my little orientation thing I got to do every year. I decided I got to come back in the morning to do my yard training. They split it up between 2 days, which kind of messed me up on my potato job. So I decided anyway just to stay here in town. I could have stayed at that campground we was at the other day, but I didn't want to stay there. It's full. All the harvest workers are in town and it's packed. And I just want to go somewhere where me and Russ could run. Well, I ain't gonna run nowhere, but where Russ could run around. So, if you remember a video or two ago, I went to a dam that I found here in town. I said, I bet somebody could camp there. Well, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. There's a dam, and there's a camper. So we're gonna try it out to see if my theory is true or not. I don't think we're gonna have any trouble here. There's no signs that says, you know, no overnight parking, no camping, or, you know, area closes at a certain time or anything like that. So I think we're gonna be all right here for just for one night. And yeah, so we're just gonna hang out. It's super windy. I hope the wind's not messing up the video. But I'm thinking the wind will probably die down this afternoon. But anyway, I'm kind of thankful for the wind because the flies are horrendous this year. Man, the flies are bad. And the wind trying to, you know, it's kind of keeping the flies away. So I'm appreciating that. But anywho, I'll get off here just for right now and mess around. And later on this evening, the moons have been beautiful every night. I just haven't been catching it on video, so I'm hoping tonight the moon's gonna be bright and shining like it has been. And it should be pretty on this water. But yeah, we'll get back with you here in a little bit. Okay, guys. I know it's dark and you can't see me, but I just wanted you to see. I missed the sunrise, but it's still pretty. Or excuse me, the sunset. I ain't missed no sunrise. It's still afternoon. But no, seriously, it's pretty. You see the water there. Is that star? Yep. See the star right there? Super bright star. Let me see if I can find that other one. Where's it at? Nah, it's not gonna show up, but that's okay. But yeah, it's really pretty out here. Just quiet. You see the lights fading, shine on the RV. So far so good. I haven't had any trouble yet. Been a few people come down here and just, I don't know, hang out by the water. They didn't really fish or anything. They just come out here enjoying the water. So, no troubles. So I think I'm gonna go in and get ready to go to bed. Got Rusty fed. Can you hear the geese? Oh, there's another star right there. There's been a lot of geese going south. Almost time for me to fly south. But anyway, yeah, I think me and Rusty's going to call today. Gotta get up tomorrow, go back over to Crystal Sugar and do the little yard training thing, and then I'll be done with that. Then it's heading back to the farm to finish potatoes. I only got about a week left of the potatoes, and then I'll start the sugar beet job. So we'll be out here sooner or later. I know Rusty's ready to go. He don't get to get out much. Now any day that I have off, I open the door, let him out, and I don't even holler for him until it's time to go to bed. So any day that I'm going to be around, I just let him stay out all day. So sooner or later, you know, he'll be back to roaming. My plans after the beets, I don't know. I had some plans, but things has changed, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna go home still. I believe I'm still gonna do that. Then after I go home, I really don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll just figure it out when the time comes. But anyway, yeah, appreciate y'all stopping by and watching this whole video. And let me see, is that everything? Hear the geese? More geese flying over. That means winter's coming. But anyway, yeah, I think that'd be it for now. I'm gonna go here and get ready for bed. Gotta get up early in the morning. get all my business taken care of and get back to work. But anyway, till me and Russ sees you again, God bless you. Well, good morning, everyone. I know you can't see me because it's 5:30 in the morning, but if you see a bright white dot in the screen, that's the moon. The moon. And that little blue light and that light right there in the center screen, that's the side of the RV. And behind me, you see the sun's gonna be coming up here pretty soon. Yeah, it's super early in the morning, and I haven't got woke up yet. I had to let Rusty out, go use the bathroom and everything. Wow, the screen's dark. Ain't nothing showing up, is it? I want the water to show up. No water. Yeah, you can kind of see the water back there. But anywho, we camped here all night, didn't have any trouble. No one come around bothered us, no one told us to leave, so I guess you can camp here at this boat ramp. I've camped at a bunch of boat ramps just overnight, you know. I've never tried to stay 2 or 3 days a week or set up a mailbox and live there, nothing like that. But so far, every boat ramp I've stopped at during my travels, I was able to overnight there. Just a quick, you know, get there kind of late and leave kind of early, and I've never had any trouble. So if you're out traveling, kind of keep that in mind. You know, if you just need a quick, you know, overnight spot, but you don't want to sit in a gas station parking lot or whatever, look and see if there's any boat ramps around you. Now, when you get there, make sure you look for signs stating rules. You know, like no overnight parking or no camping or whatever. You know, just don't ignore the signs, because you're just going to have trouble if you do. But normally, everyone I've seen, except for a couple, except for 1 or 2, every boat ramp I've seen never has anything like that posted. I think mainly because, just from my experience in where I live, there's a lot of boaters who fish at nighttime, and you know, so they leave their truck and trailer there parked overnight while they're out on their boat, and I think that's the reason why you can get away with it for, you know, at least one night anyway. But anyway, that's something you can check out. I know last night I said I was going to end the video and tell you goodbye, but I just want to give this morning, try to show you that I was still here and everything worked out all right. But anyway, I'm gonna jump off here for now, for real. Get ready to go into town and finish my yard training, and me and Russ will see you next time. So until then, God bless you.